Hey there, digital explorers. Ever wondered how a simple ebook can turn into a money-making machine? Today, we unravel the magic behind AI tool for profit-making AI products. Let's jump in, seeing the power of ChatGPT for ebook niche selection. Introducing ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI tool designed to assist in tasks just like this. Here are some suggestions like self-help and personal development, health and wellness, how-to and DIY guides, technology and future trends, and much more. Ton of research. In ChatGPT, I select one niches for ebook, which is handmade crafts or hobbies. First go to ChatGPT and write a whole book about handmade crafts or hobbies, and ChatGPT is helpful for doing this. It is beautifully narrated the whole book with all tiny details. ChatGPT suggests me the title of book is Handmade Crafts and Hobbies, Unleashing Creativity and Nurturing Passion. Canva provides user-friendly templates designed specifically for ebooks, enabling creators to present handmade crafts and hobbies in a visually appealing layout. Customize the template by adding titles, text, and content relevant to your craft topic. Use the drag-and-drop feature to insert high-resolution images of your crafts. Utilize Canva's design tools to adjust fonts, colors, and layout elements to ensure the ebook of handmade crafts and hobbies. Add interactive elements or links if necessary, ensuring readers can access additional resources or tutorials for a more immersive experience. Once satisfied with the design, click the Download button, choose the preferred file type, and save your handmade crafts and hobbies ebook for sales.
Hey everyone! So, I recently ventured into the world of DIY and created an ebook on Canva about handmade crafts and hobbies. I thought, let's see if there's any interest out there. And guess what? The results were genuinely shocking. After seeing the overwhelming response and diving into the data, I realized something big. This niche, our shared passion for DIY, holds so much potential. With that insight, I'm thrilled to announce that our ebook is now available for purchase, not just on Kindle but across multiple platforms. Now, for all of you craft enthusiasts and DIY adventurers, it's just a click away. Whether you're on Kindle or your favorite social platform, I've got you covered. So, if you're looking to deep dive into the world of DIY, or even gift it to a friend who loves crafting, now's your chance. A huge shout out to everyone who showed interest and gave feedback. It's been an incredible journey, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for being a part of this story. Let's continue crafting, not just projects, but also a community that inspires. Catch you on the crafting side.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and beneficial. We're always looking to bring you the best content, so your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw, and please leave us a comment below with your thoughts. We can't wait to read what you have to say. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.